Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813813, and today we have a 2010 Holden Cruze CD sedan, stock reference number 4611. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2009 through to the 1st month 2017. It has an F18 D4, 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F18 D4, 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front. We have the right-hand headlight. It's fitted with a 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has 2 dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid has 3 small dents. Tidy bumper cover. Factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom with the neck. Right-hand tail boot lid garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have a driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey and black cloth interior, black centre console lid, vinyl, auto type, auto gear shifter, heated controls, single stacks control panel, display cluster, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.